And he or she was just mentioning impact. Do not assume that the pupils will. So we say that the CBC hands-on, the emphasis is on the skills, you do in the head. Yeah? Other people summarize it and say it is am I right? Yeah? And we can also say that they also say know the rules so that you can break them without being caught. Because of the obstructing, I will be fined so much. The way he is connecting the project and so on, you must make sure that he is not interacting with them.
Mwe mwetagwo Kuza kuma Narok aria marenda gukorwo na ithwe uhoro-ini wa guthondeka demonstration farms na guthondeka kits cia ku make sure arutwo aitu ni mamenya uhoro wa guthima tiri ni undu wa guteithiriria arimi thiini wa value chains iria twina cio thiini wa Kirinyaga na riu institutions itu nicio irenda kuhuthirwo tari training basis cia arimi nigetha mahote guthomaga uria makuhota kuruta wira migunda-ini yao. Alafu turiona CBET, SIDAC and TVETA aria marenda kuruta arutani aitu anene na anini yao uhoro wa the new curriculum CBET na uhoro ucio niguo turathii guthoma nigetha tumenye uria ciana citu iguthoma mubango-ini uyu mweru wa githomo gia thirikari.
Approach ino ni njega tondu murutwo ndafocagwo kana nderagwo no nginya ke unit ciothe aneagwo certificate kuringana na unit iria we arenda na iria arahota gwika, and then iroraga uria mundu araruta wira uria angiruta ira thiini wa wira-ini to guthoma tu nigetha kuona na ugi no ni kuhota kuruta wira uria urendeka. Ako ni mundu wa gwikira mai ni arahota gwikira mai uria kwagiriire.